You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, the name of this American musician and filmmaker. If you want to learn more names of celebrities, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Let's hear him say it first, and then we'll break down how to say it.
Hi, I'm Neil Cicierega.
This is from XOXO Festival video on YouTube. Neil Cicierega is how he says it. Cicierega, it looks very Italian to me. In Italian it would be Cicierega, but he doesn't say it that way at all. So Neil Cicierega is how he pronounces it, his pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.